can directly go to the court. So this is my dress, guys. Hi everyone, so welcome back to my vlog. This week I'm going to try romanticizing my life or my college life. Because this week it's going to be a pretty busy week for me. I have events to go to as well as exams that I need to take.
Color. Lahat na ng color.
Ay, no! Pwede!
Philippines, Korea.
Okay, so since mamaya pa naman yung class ko, I'm going to play Genshin Impact first. If you guys don't know, this is like an open world game and you can experience different regions, ganun. Personally, I enjoy playing this kasi it's a whole experience. Sobrang ganda ng visuals, ng landscapes, and it's really fun to conquer challenges and solve puzzles. Like, ma-engage ka talaga sa storyline niya. And of course, the best part about it is free lang siya. Like, you don't have to pay anything. The reason why I'm sharing this now is because they released the version 3.7 and meron silang bagong character. So cute, si Kirara, if I'm not mistaken. She kind of resembles like a cat, and you guys know I love cats, so. And in this version also, there's a lot of new events, like the Duel the Summoner Summit, Radiant Secrets for those who like Genius Invocation TCG gameplay. And there are also hangout events and different quests that you can try. If you guys have an account now, please let me know, comment below or DM me so that I can play with you guys. Kasi as in super fun talaga nito laruin. It's a great way for me to relax also and have fun once in a while. I'll have the QR code displayed somewhere here where you guys can download it. Thank you so much Genshin Impact for sponsoring this portion of the video. Actually, super gulat talaga ako nung nag-reach out sila. Kasi, sakto lang kasi I love playing the game. Tapos biglang nag-reach out nga sila. So,
방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디
The left foot. It will become bankrupt eventually. Yes, Miss Torres.
sir, the sale is considered valid po. So you can directly go to the court and ask them to give their consent.
Yes, that's correct. But what if that particular informed person, which is the right? Yes. You want Mr. One more answer. Yes, Miss Torres.
To share information po about the partnership, but there is no duty po to provide information that is already recorded in the partnership books.
Okay. Usually the correct answer is Miss Torres' answer.
I need to find the room kasi may meeting ako in a bit with a brand. So, it's okay. I think my dad will join ko in a bit if it's okay. Since I think posted is may ACL na pala. So, TikTok sesh, guys.
There always
For blocking.
Please excuse my face right now. Hindi ako nag-makeup today kasi gusto ko pahinga yung face ko. And my hair, it's a bad hair day for me. So, ayan, nag-cup na lang ako. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. Kasi I bought school supplies and other stuff that I'll be needing this term, I guess. I-justify ko lang talaga yung mga purchases ko. Okay, starting with Muji. I love Muji when it comes to their pens. Ito yung favorite ko, yung Nock type pens nila. And this is 0.5. And I also got a refill for that. This one naman is for their gel ink pens. Yung parang mga ganito. And I have these na kasi, so kailangan ko talaga bumili ng refill. If you guys are wondering, I'm using the 0.38 one. So, nung nasa Muji ako, I also saw this. And at first, akala ko pencil case siya. Kasi mukha talaga siyang pencil case, right? Pero, nung nakita ko yung label niya or yung tag niya, it literally says toothbrush pouch. Akala ko talaga pencil case siya. Kasi, ito pa naman yung ina-eye kong bilhin, yung gantong size lang. Kasi sa college, kailangan mo lang talaga ng eraser, ng ball pen, pencil, and you're good to go. So, sabi ko, perfect size siya. Pero, toothbrush pouch pala siya. Pero gagamitin ko talaga to as pencil case. No joke, guys. For reference, this is 265 pesos sa Muji. So, ayun. Ang funny lang talaga nito. Anyway, I also went sa National Bookstore to get these. First, I got 3 Gtech ball pens. I got purple, red, and blue. I have na kasi mga black ball pens, so I just got refills once again. 0.4 and 0.3. And then I got 1 black ball pen lang as backup. Nalagay ko lang to sa bag ko, and just in case lang na wala akong dalang ballpen at all that day, meron akong emergency ballpen. Grabe yung pagka-overthink ko no, hindi na to healthy talaga. And then I just got this plain black notebook. Wala lang, for notes, I guess. If kailangan ko lang na extra notebook, at least I have one na here. I also got some online. Ito, nabuksan ko na to, and ang daming beses ko na to nagamit. This is a mini fan. And mas gusto ko to kesa sa, wait. So, dati ito yung ginagamit ko. Ayan, I mean, working pa naman siya. Pero, lagi ko lang sumasabit yung buhok ko dito. So, mas prefer ko talaga to. And mas matagal din siya malobat. And malakas din yung hangin niya actually. If naririnig mo sa mic. Malakas to, guys. So, mas prefer ko and mas maliit din siya. So, yeah, I will link this below if you guys want. This is so helpful nowadays. I also got a new set of these clear sticky notes. Wala lang kasi naubos ko na yung una kong ganito. It is super helpful kapag nagdi-deep studying ako. So, basically, clear lang talaga siya. So, there. I got this from Shopee also. Last few items that I got. So, I got some face masks. Kasi bilis maubos. Ito yung 3D masks. And if you guys are wondering, ano yung ginagamit ko kapag nag-vlog ako, or I think every vlog naman. Ito yun. Ito yung size niya. I will link this below also. I like this better kasi mas may shape siya. And hapit talaga dito sa gilid. So, I bought a lot na kasi mabilis ito maubos sa amin. And the last thing that I bought is itong phone stand. Actually, dito sa akin, kasi I have mine na. Ito siya, guys. Ginagamit ko siya everyday. Di ko na siya tinatanggal sa phone ko, actually. Nagpabalik kasi sila mommy and daddy. So basically, phone stand siya. Pero mas sturdy kasi siya. Since metal siya, pwede mo siya gawing horizontal, vertical. Compared dun sa mga plastic ones, mas matibay talaga itong mga to. So, I highly recommend this. I literally use it sa campus, kapag kumakain ako. And even sa mga lectures ko, tinatayo ko lang silang ganyan. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this haul. I think kailangan ko na maligo kasi marami pa tayong gagawin today. So, kikilos na ako, guys. Bye! I'm gonna wear this. Bago ako magsuot ng dress, I'm just gonna wear this. Yung event is at 3 p.m. pa. Mga 12 pa lang naman. So, we have time pa to spare. So, we're just getting ready and magpipicture din kami dito bago umalis. So, this is my dress, guys. Okay, so mag-change lang ako ng outfit and I'll see you guys later. Here's my final look, my final makeup and outfit.
I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아, 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.